having trouble building a website content and making money from it? New. Harness the power of AutoBlog to get automated viral niche sites with 6 most popular niches in less than 60 seconds. Automatically update content in real time. And drive limitless traffic, conversion, and sales on complete autopilot. 100% automated. Custom plugin for automated posting. Responsive design. Cross-browser support. Mobile-friendly. SEO-friendly. Built-in schema. Google AMP and JSON structure. 100%. Unique content. Monetization. Any type of ads like AdSense, Amazon, ClickBank, Infolinks, Media.net, Chitika, etc. $100 newbie-friendly site from Raphael a couple of days ago. And here is my honest review. My experience with Raphael so far is 10 tenths. Site 10 tenths. Honestly, the best niche site I have purchased so far. A couple of months ago I did purchase a few micro niche sites from sellers on Fiverr, and they were not even close to as good of a site that Raphael delivered. Everything about this site is perfect. The theme is premium quality. Articles are readable. Logo is custom made and beautifully done. The site is neat and tidy. SSL is set up. Site speed is pretty good too. Honestly, this guy knows what he is doing, and he does it really well. Delivery 10 tenths. He is the first seller to deliver a site before time. I am honestly impressed how well of a site he delivered in such a little time. You have to consider he has quite a few other tasks in hand too. Communication 10 tenths. Raphael is really nice guy. He always answers my questions patiently, and so far he has been so helpful. I am really grateful for his services. If you make a purchase with him, you'll realize he almost always over-delivers in almost all aspects. Quick update. A couple of days ago my AdSense was approved by Google, thanks to Raphael and his awesome niche site. What he is selling is definitely way more worth than the price he is selling it for. John Carlos scale with Google AdSense plus Reddit traffic accepted by Google AdSense after 10 days. I combine news site with Reddit. Completely free, no need to spend on ads. He's really good support via email. I still order him many other niches with higher CPC. Thank you Raphael, dear internet entrepreneur. Did you know that you can now start building auto blogging without having to build any website? Without creating any content or without even paying for service? Yes, it's now possible. In the last 8 years, I've made money with Google AdSense using a brand new automated system that I will show you today. And when you own these automated blogs, just simple setup and forget. Here's some big problems. You'll have to face creating 100% attention-grabbing content can be a daunting task. Outsourcing it to freelancers is damn expensive as they charge like crazy. Thinking of writing it yourself can take tons of time and energy at your end. The tools available in the market are quite complex and need a hefty investment right at the beginning to get things sorted. Learning and depending on multiple software, technology or skills will leave you completely drained. Most of the tools available in the market come with a